Introducing the 2008 GMC Acadia. A 3.6-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. The following features are included: front and rear cup holders, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.